Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You begin by cutting power and preventing damage. First, shut down and unplug the PSU, then press and hold the case power button for 5–10 seconds to discharge residual current. Once done, ground yourself with a wrist strap or by touching bare metal on the case. Make sure to remove side panel screws and slide the panel off carefully, keeping screws in a small container. You are now at the motherboard level and ready to locate the SSD. Identify whether it's M2 on the motherboard or a 2.5 drive in a cage. You now perform the removal. If it's an M2, use a small screwdriver to loosen the single standoff screw and lift the drive gently at a slight angle away from the socket. Do not bend it. If it's a 2.5 SATA SSD, first unplug the SATA data and power cables, then unscrew the drive from its tray or slide the tray release and pull it free. Make sure to collect screws, rubber grommets, and thermal pads. Make a quick photo for cable routing to simplify putting things back together. You finish up with care to avoid mistakes. Inspect the SSD and connectors for debris or bent pins, and if anything looks wrong, replace the cable before reassembly. Next, reinstall the side panel, reconnect power, and boot into BIOS to confirm the drive is detected. If the SSD is missing, power down and reseat it. Try another SATA port or M2 slot and make sure BIOS settings or firmware aren't blocking it. A single reseat or port swap resolves most detection issues. If not, consult drive diagnostics.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.